Am I the a-hole for telling my daughter to cancel her wedding? My daughter, 27, was with her boyfriend for 7 years, and they recently got engaged with a small celebration. She often talks about how much she loves him, how he listens to her, and how he's ideal for her. I agreed because he seemed like a good-natured, kind, and respectful man. We've met his parents a few times over dinner, and they struck me as a bit sexist, asking my wife questions like, why are you working? Isn't that the husband's job? It's the mother's job to take care of the children. Now that they wanted to make it more serious, they planned a wedding. Anyway, we have been planning for the wedding, and one day her boyfriend comes to me and says that his parents want to talk to me. I was going to call my daughter too, but he said that she wasn't allowed. I went with him, and his parents started talking with me about a dowry. I was confused and said there was no dowry, but her boyfriend and his parents insisted it was necessary, saying my daughter would be a stay-at-home wife, though she's told me she plans to pursue her dreams. They asked me to consider it and not tell my daughter, but I told her right away. She cried, realizing her boyfriend was so sexist, and asked what to do. I told her she wasn't obligated to marry him and could cancel the wedding if she didn't want to go through with it. Well, that is exactly what happened, and now her boyfriend and his parents are calling me, saying I took away the love of his life, etc. On top of that, some of her friends, some were bridesmaids, said that I was an asshole for breaking up what would have been a healthy marriage, but it's my daughter's happiness that matters.